Alright, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, madam.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, madam.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, madam. 100%.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, I don't have.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I don't have. I just only the cesarean.
Alright, so how many years? How many years
Uh,
your cesarean?
2 years.
Alright, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Okay. Yes, madam.
Alright, is this your first time working abroad?
No, madam. Ex-abroad, madam.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Just I want to experience, madam, to Malaysia in the Asia
In the Asia.
because yeah, I'm working before in Lebanon and 10 years.
Alright, so um, you've been working as a domestic helper for 10 years.
Yes,
So,
madam.
what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
The cleanliness, madam. Cleanliness and take care. There another to love and care to kids like this, madam.
What is your name?
Matt Raimundo.
How old are you?
I'm 38.
Are you single or married?
I'm married, madam.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
36 and back to I construction worker.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, madam.
When is your birthday?
October 15, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 162 the weight.
What is your height again? Can you repeat, please?
My height is 160
All
and
right.
my weight 2.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm college level, madam.
In what course?
Computer science.
How many children do you have?
2.
How old are those children?
The one is coming 9 this May, and the two is 2 years old.
Who will going to look after your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband and my mother and my brother.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
No, senior, madam. My mother is 68 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
2, and one only sister.
What
Only
is
one.
your rank in your family?
Uh, Third.
Third.
I second. Now it's second because it's dying the another one brother.
So what is your rank in your family? Are you the first, the second, the third?
Sec-
Second. All right. So you mentioned that you worked in Lebanon for how many years?
10 years, but three employer, madam.
All right. According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Lebanon way back August 2018 to October 2022, right?
Yes.
You worked there for 4 years, is it?
Yes, madam.
Is it first employer or second employer?
No, madam. It's third.
Okay, so third employer. What is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in Lebanon?
I'm taking the grandson, cleaning and ironing, only like this, madam.
How old is
And
the child that you take care?
uh, 1 years old.
1 year
The
old.
grand
All right. Your first employer, what year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2009 and 2023, 13.
So you worked there for 4 years.
Yes.
All right. So what
As
is your job responsibilities there?
as janitress.
Janitress, janitor. You are a janitor.
Yeah.
In what? In building or what? Or in company or in
Uh,
restaurant?
school, madam.
Janitor in school. All right. So after that, your second employer or your yeah,
My second employer is a singer.
what year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2014 to 2016.
Okay. So you work as what?
As a DH.
Domestic helper. So what is your job responsibilities there in Lebanon?
I'm cleaning, then iron, washing, and take care the two kids,
Okay. How
just
old are those children that you take care?
13 and 14.
All right. So after that, your last working as a domestic helper is way back 2018 to 2022, correct?
Yes, madam.
All right. So you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 4 years. Do you think you won't feel homesick?
I know, madam.
How are you gonna handle your homesickness later then?
Just I don't want to thinking like the homesick. Just only I'm thinking for the work, for the my family.
All right.
Just
After
only
2022 to 2026, what is your job in the Philippines?
I'm taking care of my son,
So you are a
the young.
full-time mother 2022 until recently, correct?
Yes,
All right. So working abroad is not that so easy because you already experienced it for 1 decade, correct?
yes, madam.
But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. It's a huge difference between Malaysia and Lebanon. Okay? Houses
Yes,
here is very big one and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, madam.
Can you take your
I will.
children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, madam.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, madam.
Can you cook?
Yes, madam.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, madam.
Are you
I don't have.
comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, madam.
All right, this is a 2 years contract, right? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, madam.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, madam.
You can hold it during nighttime only. After that, you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. This is a
Okay.
strictly no go out policy, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, madam.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. If you dislike our terms and conditions, better don't come here. You have a lot of choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yeah, madam.
Remind yourself when you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problem, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, madam.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Magda. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
much and have a good day.